Barry Brown was born in 1962, Jamaica and passed away on May 29, 2004, was a Jamaican reggae singer, initially coming to prominence in the 1970s, with his work with Bunny Lee, but remaining popular throughout his career. He was one of a number of singers to find success, under record producer Bunny Lee. After forming a short-lived group, called the Aliens, with Rod Taylor and Johnny Lee, Brown went solo. Although his first release, Girl You're Always on My Mind, had little impact, his vocal style soon found popularity, with his first hit single, coming with 1979's Step It Up Youth Man, which led to an album of the same name on Paradise Records. One of the most successful artists, of the early dancehall era, Brown worked with some of Jamaica's top producers of the time, including Linval Thompson, Winston Nene The Observer Holness, Sugar Minott, and Coxsone Dodd, as well as releasing self-produced material. He recorded for Studio One in 1983, including Far East, after releasing 11 albums. Between 1979 and 1984, Brown's releases became more sporadic, although his work continued to feature prominently on sound systems, such as those of Jah Jah. In the 1990s, Brown's health deteriorated, suffering with asthma and substance abuse problems, and he died in May 2004, in Soundwaves Recording Studio, in Kingston, Jamaica, after falling and hitting his head.